The internet's been doing really weird things. So I might have to share this video after the fact using YouTube because it seems like it's like blocking stuff, which is odd. Alright, so there's a few things that need to be done. I'm going to give you guys probably more time though, just because I'm noticing the internet is like really, really bad today and like giving people all kinds of problems. First thing, again, which today was going to be the last day, but because the internet's acting so crazy, I'm probably going to need more time. This is the number one focus, which is this out of the dust interstellar questions. You're supposed to choose 3. Make sure that you do 3 of them. Right? So again, this one's a letter. This one's you recording something. This is you making a slideshow. These 2 are writing about theme. This one is about comparing, contrasting, and the last one's about writing a sequel. So you choose 3. That's what you should be focused on mostly if you did not finish it. The second thing you will do after you are done with that are these vocabulary flashcards. Make sure that you do those flashcards after you are done with the first assignment. Anybody who finished both of those will be working on this. So this is an assignment that deals with the plot. Remember, plot is the events in a story. So when you think about plot, always remember the exposition is basically where you introduce the characters and explain what's going on in the beginning. We'll get to these 2 in a second. The climax is the most exciting part of the story, right? It's where the main action happens. And then the resolution is how things wrap up. This part here, the rising action, is basically all the events that happen before that main event. And then this falling action, this is just basically the events that happen before the story is solved. So what you're going to do, using the story The Pedestrian, which we read, about the guy who goes and takes his walk outside and what happens to him, you're going to label each part. You only use each part once. So for each one of these, only one answer should be here. And then the last part, those of you guys who finished that will answer these questions. And this is, again, you can use the story. So if you go to this is where the story is, so you can use it to do the answers to these questions, obviously. Again, first thing that has to get worked on is this. Right, the out of the dust. Choose 3. Finish with that. Work on the vocab flashcards. That's not it. Where is it? This one. Vocab flashcards. When you're done with that, work on this. And that is that. I need to talk to a bunch of people for different reasons. So I'm going to be calling some people to talk into a chat for all kinds of different stuff. If you need me, please make sure that you write it in the chat and I will help you out with anything. Does anyone have any preguntas or questions for me? And here on my fight super bad because I'm one of my houses in but not so many. Dokey dokey, Miss Burgers. Alright, if you have a question, let me know. I will help you. I'm going to put this, actually I'm going to